Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU4808. This is your 6-hole, 5-position trailer coupler bracket. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is your 6-hole, 5-position channel bracket trailer coupler. It's rated for 14,000 pounds. It has 6 holes on each side, so it's 5-positioned. And what this is for the coupler, you can have an adjustable coupler on here, and it's going to allow the coupler to go up or down, to raise or lower, depending on your truck. So you can raise or lower it like that, and you'll have 2 bolts to slide through. So it's 5-position because there's 2 holes, so you got 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position, and 5 position. And we'll just measure it out real quick. So the overall length of this guy is going to be 12 inches. The inner width is 3 inches, or the outer is going to be 3 5/8. And the thickness is going to be 0.31 of an inch, so a little more than a 1/4 inch. And the hole size is going to be 0.63 inches on the holes. The holes are spaced out approximately 2 inches apart from each other. So 2-inch spacing on the holes. And the height of this guy right here, or the depth, however you want to call it, is going to be about 2 inches. And if you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.